Well, hello everyone. Really nice to be with you today. My name is Kimberly Gibson. I'm the Director of Workforce Technology and Community Partnerships for EWI. EWI is a not-for-profit. We like to say we're not for loss either. But we are a not-for-profit engineering services and R&D company. We help companies and we develop our own and commercialize and implement leading-edge manufacturing technologies. So it runs the gamut. We look at things like how do we improve product performance, quality, reliability, and then finally, of course, what's important to you is how do you be more competitive in the marketplace. EWI is a member-based organization, so when you come to us, we like you to join membership if you want to. We have a wonderful facility here in Columbus, about 132,000 square feet, a full-scale test labs, a staff of about 140 engineers, technicians, and industry experts with about 5 to 10 years of industrial experience on average. Some have many more than that. We do have some gray hair in the building, and we have some not so gray hair in the building, so it's good. It's a nice mix. We have about $30 million in capital equipment that we play on in service to you and all of our customers around the world. So what do we do? Our focus is really about maturing and commercializing technologies for industry. We also work for the government on a fee-for-service basis. Some of these technologies you can see here, whether it's welding technologies, which is our specialty. Joining of dissimilar materials has been a specialty of ours, but we've gone far beyond that in our 30-year history. To looking at things like automation and sensors and controls for your company. Friction processing, how do you use lasers uniquely in your business. Materials, how are those materials formed. Then of course, when you look at inspection, how do you non-destructively evaluate a process once you're in the middle of it? And then, of course, weldability and other metallurgical analysis. So these are some of our specialties. There's a lot of other things on here, as you can see. This is just a small list. When we think about our technology services, really, it spans the entire life cycle for any product, and we work across all industry sectors. There's no industry sector that we don't work in. If you're at the concept phase, you might be looking at something like what material would I choose, and how will that material impact manufacturability over the life cycle of this product. We would help you make some judgments about that. Then move into feasibility. So, you know, how do we know if this product or this process is the right way to go? What are the parameters? Maybe we need to do some trials to figure that out. Then when you get to the design phase, how do we optimize that design? Do we need to use some analytical modeling to take the cost out of that? We have a full team of modelers that do a variety of that for a variety of industries. Then when you have the design that you want, maybe you need some prototypes. Maybe you need some equipment spec'd out. We don't need to build the equipment, but maybe you need some specifications prepared so somebody else that you're working with can develop the equipment for you. And then finally, when you go to transition that into the manufacturing space, what kind of tooling are you going to need? What kind of automated systems might you require for your product or your process? And then at the end, once it's in production, how do you inspect that product or that process to make sure that it's doing what you want it to do in real time? So you can see across the entire life cycle of a product, EWI has expertise that can help you determine what the next steps are for you so you can be competitive and take the cost out of your product. We like to say that we apply technologies to help manufacturers compete, whether it's a new product that you're looking at, whether you're reducing costs, or whether you're looking into new markets. And This is just an example of a company that we worked with on a weld cracking prevention using simulation. It's a small company here in Ohio that was looking to transition from one sector of the economy to another sector, and the work we did with them here made that possible and saved them, increased their sales from 8 million to 15.5 million. That's money, right? Oh, so finally, what does EWI do? We really develop manufacturing technologies that improve product performance and reduce your cost. We help you make it better, faster, and cheaper. We like to collaborate with you to extend our capabilities to you, your supply chain, your other partners. And if you have a product that needs to be commercialized and moved into the market, we're all about helping you with that. And we're located on West Campus on Ohio State University. So love to see you sometime.